Hey guys, it's Richman. Don't you love it when you find a Firestick tip that helps you do one thing really well, and it's extremely easy to use, works super fast, and is completely free? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you not one, but 7 different Firestick tips that you're going to love, and that you may have never heard about before. So stick around to the end, because I think you're going to be using a couple of these different Firestick tips after watching this video. So with that, let's get to it. Let's start with Firestick tip number 1, using the Alexa voice remote. To use the Alexa with the voice remote, simply press and hold the microphone button on the remote control and ask Alexa what you want. By the way, you don't need to say the word Alexa. So let's try it. Launch YouTube. And there it is. It launches you directly into YouTube. All right, let's try another one. Open Disney Plus. And there's Disney Plus. Now let's try one more. Open Netflix. And there's Netflix. You can also control your Fire device with an Amazon Echo, Echo Dot, or any Alexa-enabled device, eliminating the need for the remote completely. If you have an Echo in the room, as long as you're signed into the same network as your Fire Stick, you can give it orders and the Fire Stick will respond to you. Alexa on your Fire Stick can do nearly everything an Echo can do, but with the added benefit of seeing it visually. For instance, how is the weather? Alexa will respond by showing you the weather information about your location. Alexa can also be used to find any content that you want to view. Just say the title of a television show, film, actor, or director, and the search engine will return all the relevant content. Search for TV show The Witcher. And there it is. Let's try another one. Search for TV show Yellowstone. And there's Yellowstone. Now let's try one more. Search for science fiction movies. And there we have a selection of science fiction movies. Now we're going to try one that's a little bit more complicated. Show me movies directed by Alfred Hitchcock. And there you've got Hitchcock movies. The beauty of Amazon's system is that it will return results from its own services and third-party apps. So if something is available on Netflix, it will show up in the search results, and you can pick where you want to watch it. You can also give Alexa commands to do things on the Fire Stick. For instance, go home. And it goes back to the home page. Fire Stick tip number 2. Take your Fire Stick on vacation. You can take a Fire TV stick on vacation with you, since you can connect it to hotel Wi-Fi, even if the internet requires additional information to get on, such as your room number. Simply go to Settings, and then scroll down to Network, and then you select the network that you want to connect to. If more information is necessary, a web page will open up with the additional boxes required by the hotel or public place. So just like that, it functions like a smartphone or tablet. Once the internet connection is established, you can use your Fire Stick anywhere. Fire Stick tip number 3. Firestick Remote App on your smartphone or tablet. If you lose your remote, you can still manage your TV with the Amazon Fire TV app, which lets you explore the Fire TV menu and lets you use your voice control, just like a standard Fire TV remote. It's compatible with both Apple and Android phones and tablets. I'll leave links to the apps in the description below. Fire Stick tip number 4. Play games on your Fire TV stick. Are you tired of binge watching TV shows? You can also use your Fire TV device to play games. I know it's not a PlayStation 5 or an Xbox, but the Fire Stick does have access to several golden oldie games like the Double Dragon Trilogy, Crazy Taxi, and several other Final Fantasy games. Add games by pressing and holding the home button until the shortcut screen pops up. Then click on Apps and scroll down till you see App Library. Click on App Library Then scroll over to Games. Now you can peruse through the games, and there's a fairly large collection of arcade games to pass the time. Here's the retro zone. You see the Final Fantasy IV. And there's Pac-Man 256. And many other games for you to go through here. Firestick tip number 5. Restarting your Fire device without getting out of your chair. Now sometimes you may need to restart your Fire TV stick in a pinch, and you just don't feel like getting out of your chair to do it. Well, Amazon's voice control remote includes a handy feature for restarting your Fire TV stick. Just press the select button in the center of your controller's circle and the play-pause button simultaneously. Hold them both down for about 5 seconds and your Fire device will restart automatically. Firestick tip number 6. Pair a set of Bluetooth headphones for quiet listening. It's extremely easy to set up your favorite set of Bluetooth headphones to the Fire TV stick for private listening, so you don't have to disturb your family when watching those late night movies. Just go to Settings, scroll down to where you see Controllers and Bluetooth devices, and then go down to where it says Other Bluetooth Devices. Add a Bluetooth device. Click on that, and then put your device, or in my case my Bose headphones, into pairing mode, and you'll see they show up here as LE Cloud Walker. I click on that, it's going to show that it's pairing the device, and then it shows that it's connected. It's as easy as that. You can also add a controller for games to your Fire Stick. Again, it's no PS5, but it will pass the time if you're bored. Firestick tip number 7. Delete your voice recordings from Alexa. Every time you speak to Alexa, it stores your voice commands to help her better learn your voice. You can go and delete all of these recordings by going to the Manage Your Content and Devices page on your browser, or do it in the Alexa app by going to Settings, Alexa Privacy. From there, you'll be brought to a Review Voice History page where you can choose to delete your voice recordings from the past 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, or all history. Well, that's it for today's tips, guys. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe. This is Richman. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you next time.